Hi, I'm Dr. Rahul Bharad. I welcome you all to my series What Life Has Taught Me Yesterday. Today when I'm recording this video is 26th of February 2023. I'll be talking what 25th of February has taught me in life. Yesterday a news came. That news is about Adani Group shares and Hindenburg report. It's been almost 1 month. On 24th of January, I think the report was published by Hindenburg. It was about uh, some inadequacies in the management of the Adani Group shares, and they have given a very detailed report about how Adani Group shares are being pumped up and their values, their share price is overvalued, and they have done short selling. Now, what is short selling? Is that if someone is having a short or bearish view on a particular stock, they will sell the share at a higher price, and if they are confident that share price will go down, they will try to buy it at very low price and they will get the profit. So what Hindenburg has done, that report has predicted that these some of the Adani shares are 85% overvalued, and that is what exactly has happened over the last 1 month since the report has been published. Adani shares, some of the Adani shares, there are many 8 to 9 Adani shares are there in the market. So three of the Adani shares have almost come down 85% of their value from 1 month back. So this is very significant. When the report came, actually many questions were like asked, how come a share come 85% down, is it possible and all. But now after some time we actually know that what Hindenburg has predicted has actually come true. What learning we get from these kind of news and these kind of things is that you should invest in a very good company. To know a good company, it should have a very good management, it should have a very good track record. Do not invest in any company where only share price is rising and you don't get satisfactory information about their management, about their future growth and all. There are so many good companies in the market where you can invest, but what happens is we tend to forget fundamentals and we tend to focus only on the share price. It doesn't prove that if 1,000 people are buying a stock, the stock becomes good. If 1,000 people are buying a stock, it might be good, but it is not always that the stock will be good. So same thing happened with the Adani Group shares. Those people who had bought Adani shares now are stuck or already have incurred losses in their investment. So that's a big lesson, that if such reports also, these kind of reports will not come with a good company, because good companies will have very good management, good track record, good history, and probably good future also. So always invest in a good company. That's my feeling about all this news, and that was the biggest lesson I got, that after 1 month of Hindenburg report, actually the report has come true, and the share price has come 85% down as predicted by the report. Those who are investing in the share market, they know how badly these shares have been affected. Other things about yesterday, these days many I've been telling these things since many days also. Many respiratory infections are very common, especially in Maharashtra. Adults are getting repeatedly infected, children are getting repeatedly infected, high grade fever spikes, severe cough, nasal discharges, and vomitings also after cough bouts. This is very common. I think we all need to take care. I'm not saying this is COVID pandemic or something, but we don't know what kind of virus is this. It is very difficult to isolate a virus from these symptoms. Many of the patients, they start treatment also on their own. Self medication is on the rise, which should not happen. You do consult your doctors if you are worried about your symptoms. It will take time. Have faith, have confidence that it will resolve on its own, or with paracetamol or supportive treatment or whatever treatment your doctor has given. We should not be in a hurry. What we tend to do, if fever doesn't subside in 2 days, we tend to change treatment, we tend to add antibiotics unnecessarily. That should not happen. Monitor your sign symptoms properly, monitor your vitals. If you find something very abnormal, do consult your doctor again, but have patience. It will take suppose sometimes 5-7 days also for fever to subside. It is taking many days to weeks for children to subside all the cough, but we all should be very patient. This is again a tough time for patients as far as their health is concerned. We all should be united. Try to avoid going into the dust area or polluted area. That will also increase your further complications of respiratory infections, and that should not happen. OPDs are full, IPDs are full, hospitals, and even at home also many people are getting repeatedly infection. If one is infected, the other one gets infected and gets fever and cough within 2-3 days, and the same cycle is getting repeated again and again. So take more precautions. Try to stay more hydrated, I would say. Take paracetamol only when it is necessary. Antibiotics to be used only under supervision of the doctors and only when prescribed by the doctors, not by self medications. Steam will help, I feel, though, so steam inhalation will definitely help. Try to drink warm water, lukewarm water. That will help to clear the nasal passage and throat passage, which will decrease the further spread and population of the bacteria and viruses which are present in your throat and nasal area. So this is what happening in our life. Repeated infections are happening. All the hospitals are full. Yesterday also a hospital was full. I went there. There were many calls I attended. All the babies were fine. Hospital duties are quite busy these days. That was the biggest lesson I got. And the other lesson I got, which I discussed for initially, is about that Hindenburg report, which actually came true, and the share price of Adani Group has fallen almost 85% as predicted. What you people are feeling about your daily life? Are you learning something new? Are you getting some information from your colleagues? Are you getting affected by these viral infections? If you are getting affected by these viral infections, please do take care and consult your doctor immediately for betterment of your health. For today, we'll stop here. Bye bye.